Hello everyone. We Team Get Reset are working on a problem statement from software category belonging to the theme of smart automation. Our problem statement title states determining expert relevance with respect to interview both subject and candidate's area of expertise. So, recruitment and assessment centers such as those under DRDO face significant challenges in manually matching the profiles of subject experts with interview subject and candidate experts. This process is time consuming and often lacks the accuracy required for optimal results. The need for an efficient automated solution has never been more apparent, and thus we propose Anukul. Anukul is an intelligent automated system that enhances the recruitment by matching candidates with experts based on expertise. This uses AI used for resume parsing, relevance scoring, automated scheduling, streamlining all the hassle in interview logistics. So what actually Anukul does is it takes data from the resumes of the candidate and the resume and the experts. So it does profile matching and then it does a relevancy scoring for those resumes. This Anukul calculates a final relevancy score for candidates and interviewers using a particular formula. Now, once using the formula, the score is calculated, a dynamic interview panel is created based on the scores, ensuring that interviewers are well equipped to the assess fit for candidates. Once we receive the dynamic panel, we also automate the scheduling process for the candidates. Anukul distinguishes itself in recruitment landscape through its innovative features. Advanced AI integration, customizable evaluation, it is scalable for different organizations, and it provides personalized insights. Moving on. How actually Anukul works? What's the technical approach in Anukul? So, Anukul leverages advanced AI techniques and robust frameworks to streamline, optimize the interview process. So we'll use Express.js to build our backend. We'll use JavaScript for the front-end development. For AI models, we'll have Gemma 2B for keyword extraction, for data extraction for resumes, doc document to vectorization for semantic matching, Glove for embedding calculating relevancy score. We'll also have MongoDB as our database to store user profiles, resumes, expert profiles, and interview data. So you can see the flowchart of how a particular web page of Anukul will actually work. Now, is Anukul actually feasible? Let's talk about the technical feasibility of Anukul. It relies widely on adopted technologies of AI and it does profile matching, resume parsing, and it also automatically schedule interviews. About the market feasibility, the demand for automation and recruitment is growing rapidly and has never been more so ever. So it will help organizations seek efficiency and data-driven solutions. It is once implemented, Anukul automation of interview panel matching and scheduling can significantly reduce manual effort. Now, there are also some challenges that we'll face while building Anukul. Data privacy, AI model accuracy, and integration with currently existing recruitment systems of government organizations. So we do have strategies to ensure these challenges are taken care of. So we'll ensure that there is strong encryption, role-based access control to protect all the data. We'll continuously train the AI model iteratively to make sure that it provides accurate results. We'll also offer workshops and demonstrations to all the recruiters and admins so that they are convenient to work with Anukul. And we'll also integrate a modular system, use the adapter pattern to enable Anukul to seamlessly integrate different existing software platforms for recruitment that are used today. Now, the impacts and the benefits. Once Anukul is put to use, the first impact, the direct impact that will have, it will enhance the candidate interview board alignment. It will match candidates with their background or with interviewers of the similar background, resulting in more meaningful evaluation. It will have improved interview process efficiency. There will be a higher sense of satisfaction for both the interviewers and the candidates. So it will just increase the dynamics of relationship and trustworthiness for the company as well as the applicants. Once put to use for a particular organization, this is scalable for every organization, for startup, for MNCs, or any big organization that wants to seamlessly optimize their recruiting process. It also helps in enhanced decision making. Now, the benefits that will occur from Anukul: there will be fair and objective hiring, reducing bias. There will be personalized feedback for every candidate for the interview. There will be reduced recruitment cost because of the cost effectiveness and also the optimization. And the productivity of recruitment process for organizations will increase rapidly. Now we refer to a lot of research papers, and these are the ones which actually helped us to get to a final plan of how we can build Anukul, and actually it can be put to use and it will optimize and be of some help to the organization that uses us. Thank you. We are Team Kit Reset.